You want to encounter some problems there that could encounter hurricane force conditions for your region. We'll keep you apprised of that, though, here. Also, tropical storm warnings are in effect from Florida City and the 7 Mile Bridge. On the way out toward Key West, they're out towards 7 Mile Bridge. The tropical storm force winds may extend out that far from the center of circulation. Kind of interesting to note that right there, when you see the red shade, that's where some of the more powerful winds are. But even the orange shade and in, that's where the hurricane force winds are. The yellowish shade out beyond that indicates tropical storm force winds. So as that kind of continues to scoot to move west-northwest, it could cause problems and even tropical storm force winds throughout the Keys. Here's a quick look at the projected path. Again, bear in mind a slight variation in movement could mean a big difference in this track. But we kind of think that the main path may be along the center of this particular area right now as it continues to move on, affecting the Bahamas, the coast of Florida. It appears that it may stay just a bit offshore in Florida, but would not be at all out of the ordinary or out of the question for this system to maybe have some type of impact here with the coast, coastal Georgia or parts of South Carolina too, and it's a little bit on the far outside there as far as a few days away, or at least a day away. We'll continue to fine-tune that, but again, it could have a real impact here along the Carolina coast or potentially the Georgia coast as well. And in parts of Florida, because of the big circulation, already a number of showers and storms are being seen. Some of the Carolinas, some just offshore throughout the Bahamas, even West Florida dealing with some rain now. Around Orlando, you might see a few showers, a little wet toward Melbourne, around Cocoa Beach as well. Showers and storms continue to be numerous there as well. Tennessee things are on the move, but there's another system we talked about. This system is Hurricane Gret. Continues to move on. Right now you can see kind of moving away from the Cape Verde region where it was formed over the Cape Verde region off the coast of Africa there. Hurricane Gert, rather, is right now 1,050 miles east of the Lesser Antilles. Sustained winds of 105 miles per hour, and it is moving west. Right now around 16 miles per hour. That general motion is expected to continue, and there could be some slow strengthening as the system continues to push on. Again, don't let your guard down there in the Bahamas. This could be a threat here heading in toward the weekend and latter part of the week. There's another look at our system there. This Hurricane Floyd. Things are pretty quiet across the Gulf and not much happening either along the Pacific coast. Current weather coast to coast shows our most active spots, of course, being along the southeastern coast. Showers and storms persist across the western U.S. and the plains, and a little bit wet toward New York City at times, and more rain on the way. Your forecast is next.
Hurricane Floyd is forcing voluntary and mandatory evacuations along the southeast coast. Find out where Floyd is now and where it's headed just ahead on Weather Center.
Toppled trees, down power lines, and flooded streets. We've got live team